We take a deep breath in, and as we breathe out, we'll chant Om. 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 Incoming breath energizes the body, and outgoing breath brings relaxation. Let's take several deep breaths. Imagine a fountain, like the water is ejected up and then it comes down showering. Like that, incoming breath is forceful while outgoing breath comes out like a shower, like the fountain. Let us take our attention to the base of the spine. Our body is solid and is stable right this moment. Our mind is subtler. It is subtler than water and subtler than air. That which is subtler will flow automatically. Let us spread our mind along the seat where we are sitting. Take your attention. Your attention can spread on the chair, on the floor that we are on. Another deep breath in and let go. Whatever thoughts are coming in the mind, just let them come. Good thoughts, bad thoughts, welcome them all. Let's take our attention in front of our body to about 1 meter of space. Just keep your attention up to 1 meter of space in front of your body. Now let's take our attention towards our right side. Become aware of your right side and you keep your attention there. The empty space to the right side. Let's take our attention there. Let's keep our eyes closed and relax our body. शरीर को ढीला छोड़ दें, आंखें बंद रखें। मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते गहरी सांस लीजिए और मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते सांस छोड़ रहे हैं। 3 फुट दूरी 1 मीटर की जगह को मन में सोचें। Think of 1 meter of space to the left side. Now let's rotate our attention to the back side. Become aware of 1 foot of space behind your head and behind your body. शरीर के पीछे 1 मीटर तक की दूरी को मन में स्मरण करें। 3 feet or 1 meter behind your head and the back. फिर एक गहरी सांस लीजिए और छोड़िए। टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन एंड लेट गो। Let go all your efforts and relax more and more. सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दे, विश्राम करें। Now let us take our attention to our left side. बाएं तरफ अपना ध्यान ले जाइए। बाएं तरफ 3 फुट दूरी तक की जगह को स्मरण करें। On your left side, about 1 meter of space. is where you are going to put your attention. Another deep breath in and let go. Now let us take our attention to the top of the head. सिर के चोटी पर अपना ध्यान ले जाइए. And become aware of vast space above your head. सिर के ऊपर जो खाली जगह है वहाँ अपना ध्यान रखें. Your mind is bigger than the body. Actually, your body is inside the mind. Become aware of your big mind that is bigger than your body. Whatever thoughts are coming in the mind, just let them come. जो भी विचार आ रहे हैं आने दे. सभी विचारों को गले लगा ले. Just give a hug to all the thoughts. Embrace all the thoughts, pleasant and unpleasant, good and bad thoughts. Let them come and they will go by themselves. This moment your body is still and the breath is flowing rhythmic and feeble, and mind is becoming quieter slowly but steadily. ना कुछ करना है ना ही कुछ जानना है. इस वक्त केवल विश्राम करें. This moment is nothing to know and nothing to do either. So let us just repose and rest. Body is like the wick of a candle. The mind is like the glow all around it. शरीर बाती है तो मन ज्योति है. मन को जरा शांत होने दीजिए. With a smile, repose in yourself. एक मुस्कान के साथ अपने आप में विश्राम करें. Let your mind expand and feel the walls. Let your mind touch the roof of where you are sitting. Become aware of the vast sky, millions of stars. Relax and let go all your effort. अभी ना कुछ करना है, ना ही कुछ जानना है, केवल विश्राम करें. Now let us become aware of the top of the head and a tiny dot at the top of the head. And listen to the music. Let the music flow through your space, keeping the eyes closed. Just be one with the music. Notice the sound and the silence thereafter. Let these vibrations descend down from the top of the head, come down slowly through to your neck region, throat and neck. Like a viscous fluid, like honey that would slowly come down. Let your attention come down from the top of the head, flowing down to the throat. जैसे शहद नीचे धीरे धीरे उतरती है, ऐसे आपका अटेंशन भी, आपका ध्यान भी धीरे धीरे सिर की चोटी से धीरे धीरे उतरे, माथे पर और गले पर धीरे धीरे उतरने दें. And similarly, gently come down to your shoulders and chest, as though honey or oil is slowly coming down. May your attention also gently come down. Come down to your shoulders and arms, and gently through your chest and stomach region. Shoulders and arms gently through stomach region. धीरे धीरे अपने ध्यान को दो में लेके आए, छाती और पेट और पूरे शरीर को धीरे धीरे अपना ध्यान करो. Very slowly bring your attention to your feet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Relax and let go. सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दे. Let go all your efforts and repose with a smile. मुस्कान के साथ विश्राम करें. You are full, you are peace, and you are joy. And just take a deep breath in and become aware of your body and surroundings. And as you breathe out, just crack open your eyes just a little bit, 2%. And breathe in again. And as you breathe out, you may slowly and gradually open your eyes. धीरे धीरे आंखें खोल सकते हो. अच्छा लगा? Did you all enjoy?
Yes, very good.
Very good.
We did.
Very
बहुत
good.
अच्छा.
Very good. Very good. Every day हम कर रहे हैं इसी टाइम पे. आप सब लोग ज्वाइन, और ऑनलाइन भी अपना वहाँ शिविर बहुत चल रहे हैं. यही टाइम है, उसमें आपको इतना शक्ति मिल जाएगी और इंट्यूटिव पावर वृद्धि होगी. आप ज़रूर करिए. हाँ, आप सबको बहुत बहुत ब्लेसिंग, लॉट ऑफ ब्लेसिंग्स टू एवरीबडी, एंड आई वुड विश यू ऑल गुड हेल्थ. एंड इन दिस टाइम आई वुड say you all meditate and draw strength from inside. Huh? May your life be
Yes.
may your life be filled with peace and joy.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev. Namaskar.
So what are we seeking in the world, in our lives? Is it lots of money? Is it good health? Is it to travel the world? Is it to meet lots of people? It's basically happiness. I want to be happy. And that happiness is not out there. It's right here and now. In spite of all the challenges, how can I celebrate life? Come explore the depths of your mind and the vastness of your consciousness at the Happiness Program. So what are we seeking in the world, in our lives? Is it lots of money? Is it good health? Is it to travel the world? Is it to meet lots of people? It's basically happiness. I want to be happy. And that happiness is not out there. It's right here and now. In spite of all the challenges, how can I celebrate life? Come explore the depths of your mind and the vastness of your consciousness at the Happiness Program.